In this video, I would like to describe the detailed procedure of taken out, removing of DVD drive from a laptop for any purposes, for cleaning or for replacing or for any further work. And the system of placing, removing and fitting or of hard drive of all laptops is almost same, whether it is Sony Vaio, Sony make or HP make or any make laptop. This location, process of inserting, process of removing are same. Only one thing is to be kept in mind, that in case of any laptop in which SSD is fitted, there is no hard drive, because the extra space is occupied by the SSD in beside a normal motherboard, normal hard disk. As such, in which SSD is fitted, there will be no DVD drive. Other all laptops having DVD drive, and the system of removing and also inserting are same for all brand of laptops. Here it can be seen the internal space in which the DVD drive situates. There is two ports, one for data, other for power, and also here the male parts of the two supply, one for data, another for power. And now, after cleaning of the existing hard drive or any new hard drive, the hard drive is to be placed within the laptop from where it has been taken out. Now, after inserting the hard drive in its place, the securing screw is to be tightened. The tightening torque should not be too high, because the thread is made in plastic like material. And now the hard drive has been fitted, and after completion of the fitment of hard drive, the operation of the hard drive is to be checked by power on and running the laptop to confirm that whether the work has been done perfectly or not.